We are going to see an inbuilt feature in STAAD.Pro 2025, which is the Copilot one. Okay, so today, we are going to create a simple beam using Copilot. Let us see how it works. We are not directly going to create it. We are going to write a script for that. Later, when we require, we can run that macro and then we get what we want. To proceed now, hey Copilot, I'm trying to create a script for creating a simply supported beam. And I want to paste this script to our inbuilt macro editor so that whenever I want to create a beam, I can run that particular macro. This macro should ask for the length of the beam, and once that input is finalized, a beam in XY plane, keeping the start node at 0, 0, 0, and the length of the beam should span along the x-axis. So once the member is added, then I want to create a pinned support at both the start node and the end node. Okay, write a VBScript for this so that I can use it as a macro. Our prompt is ready, so the Copilot is executing. It come up with something. Let us copy this and paste it. Okay, I copied that. Let's go to the macro editor. Paste. Yeah, it is okay. And it is asking for the length of a member, say 7 meter. Yeah, it is creating. It have created a beam. Okay, it has pinned the support. It is working. Fine, good. Now we are going to save it so that we can use it whenever we want. In order to do that, we have to configure it. So I'm adding a beam. Then in the command, I just copied the command which we created, and in the initial directory, we have to put down the directory where we have created. So we are good to go now. I will delete this beam. Run the macro. Give 4 meter. And tada! Yes guys, this is really a cool feature from STAAD.Pro. Now you can create your own macro, whatever you want, by just prompting it. Okay, try it and let me know. See you guys soon.